Good morning, students. Today we will start lesson number 6, World Human Settlement. World Human Settlement. In this lesson, we discuss about the settlements, like the rural settlements, urban settlements, and the pattern of the rural settlements, and also we discuss about the urbanization. Clear? Now here we will start about the human settlement. About the human settlement. First of all, here the definition of human settlement. Definition of human settlement. What is human settlement? The organized group of residents. The organized group of residents built and developed by men on the surface of the earth are called settlement. Are called settlement. Organized group of residents. Here the residents. The group of residents is called the human settlement. In one line, we can also say that the group of residents is called human settlement. And here the organized group of residents built and developed by men on the surface of the earth are called human settlement. So what is here the settlement? The group of residents is called the settlement. जो हमारे घर होते हैं उनका जो ग्रुप होता है ना, the group of the houses also called the human settlements. Clear? According to Vidal Lablas is belong to the France, and here the definition of the human settlement by the Vidal Lablas. Vidal Lablas says that settlements refers to the structure built by men. Structure built by men for his residence. For his residence यानी अपने रहने के लिए. And keep his wealth. Keep his wealth means here the property. Keep his wealth यानी अपने आप को रखने के लिए. Then here the secure of their property. The human build the residence. The settlement refers or to the structure built by men and men for his residence and to keep his wealth called the Vidal de Lablas. So what here the Vidal definition of the Vidal de Lablas? Definition of Vidal de Lablas. Settlement refers to the structure built by men for his residence and to keep his wealth is called the human settlement. Human settlement is also called settlement colonies. ठीक, human settlement is also called the settlement colonies. Here we can say that the group of residents, the group of houses is called the settlement. Here the different type of the settlement, like here the urban settlement, rural settlement are found, and here we will discuss about the origin of settlement. What firstly here the human origin on the earth, then here the settlement. No, here the no settlement. The human migrate one place to the another place, and the firstly the main work of the human food gathering and hunting, where they want to where they settle these places, they here food, then the एनिमल्स फॉर द हंटिंग, यानी जहां पे उनको क्या मिल रहा है, फूड मिल रहा है, हंटिंग के लिए एनिमल्स है, उन्हीं प्लेसेस में क्या होते हैं, ठीक है, वो रहते हैं. देन हियर द नॉट हियर द animals, then they migrate in another place. Here the not this time here the food gathering and hunting, not here the residence. Here we will discuss about the origin of human settlement. तो firstly the human, ऐसा नहीं है कि human जैसे आया और उसने settlement residence बना लिया ना, ऐसा नहीं हुआ. पहले क्या कर रहा है, here the economic activities depend on the food gathering and the hunting, and the, this time here the no any settlements of the human, they lives on the trees. ठीक है, वो कहाँ पे रहते हैं, पेड़ों पर रहते हैं. ठीक है, for the sometime then they change their places, and then the human start agriculture and the animal husbandry. Then the human start the agriculture and the animal husbandry. The human think about that, the way the human think about, okay, then animal husband, then here the all these animals are the all these animals are and by the hunting. जब वो hunting करेगा तो क्या हो जाएगा, सारे जो animals है वो खत्म हो जाएंगे. Then what work for the, then the human start the agriculture and the animal husbandry. और agriculture से क्या हो रहा है, here the crops, grains and animal husbandry. Then they want to safety of the animals, they want to safety of the animals, and they want place for the storage, for storage of grain. उन्हें क्या रखने के लिए, जो भी एग्रीकल्चर से हो रहा है उसको रखने के लिए, और एनिमल्स की क्या करने के लिए, सेफ्टी करने के लिए. एंड दे वांट टू सेव himself, and they start the residence. और फिर क्या बनाना स्टार्ट करते हैं, वो होम और रेजिडेंस. एंड देन हियर द पॉपुलेशन increase, the settlements also increase, then the population increase, then the residents also increase, and here the now start of the settlements. ठीक है, then the group of the residents increase, then convert in the villages, and here the villages then increase the number of population, then here the increase the number of population people, then increase here the population, then increase here the population in the village, and the village convert in the cities, and the many civilization also develop, like here the Mesopotamia civilization nearby the Tigris and Euphrates river, Iraq in Iran, and Nile river valley civilization in the Egypt, and Indus river valley civilization India and Pakistan, Hangu river valley civilization in China. So many river valley civilization develop, and here the group of residents also develop, and here the permanently settlements also develop of human. Clear? Here we discuss about the origin of human. So firstly here the no residence, then here the agriculture and the animal husbandry start, then the human required the safety and the storage for the grain, then they start the build residence, then here increase the residents and converting the settlements, and the village and the cities, and the many civilization develop, and this now here residents, the group of residents develop, और human अभी क्या होता है, all human develop in residence. Now here only the tribes live here the temporary settlement, and the totally here the permanent settlement. The group of residents is called the human settlement. Here we describe about the origin of human settlement. On the basis of origin of human settlement, the human settlement can be classified can be divided in two parts, temporary settlement and the permanent settlement. ठीक है, the origin of the human settlement, the settlement can be divided in two parts, temporary settlement and the permanent settlement. So firstly here the temporary settlement. The human settle for a short time. All these are included in temporary settlement. The human क्या कर रहा है, settle for a short time. These are included in the temporary settlement. जो human क्या कर रहा है, some time के लिए, short time के लिए settle हो रहा है. These are temporary settlements. Now here at present here the only tribes have the temporary settlement. All the developed civilization all the developed human are स्टेबल परमानेंट सेटलमेंट. ठीक है, यानी कि जब एक जगह पर नहीं रहते और क्या करते हैं, माइग्रेट कर जाते हैं. फॉर द रीजन हियर द नोमैडिक एग्रीकल्चर. ठीक है, नोमैडिक एग्रीकल्चर के लिए फूड गैदरिंग बाय द हंटिंग. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट हियर द ट्रांसह्यूमन. ऑल दीज आर द रीजंस या टाइप ऑफ द टेम्पोररी सेटलमेंट. ठीक है, लाइक हियर द ट्राइब्स Kyrgyz in the Central Asia, Eskimos in the Tundra region, and the Bushmen in the Kalahari region, Naga in Northeast India, Naga tribes in Northeast India, Baddu tribes in the Sahara and the Arab Desert, Red Indians in the United States of America, and the Rebari, Gairi, Banjare in the Marwar region of Rajasthan. तो all these here the tribes have the temporary settlement. यानी कि अभी जो प्रेजेंट टाइम है उसमें जो टेम्पोररी सेटलमेंट मतलब कुछ टाइम के लिए रेजिडेंस बनाते हैं और फिर अपने रेजिडेंस को चेंज कर लेते हैं. ठीक है, तो ऑल दीज आर रेजिडेंस या ऑल दीज टेम्पोररी टाइप ऑफ द रेजिडेंस. एट प्रेजेंट हियर द ओनली ट्राइब्स ही क्या कर रही है, टेम्पोररी सेटलमेंट, और अदर हियर द डेवलप ह्यूमन आर सेटल इन द परमानेंट सेटलमेंट. लाइक हियर द ह्यूमन सेटल परमानेंट एट वन प्लेस. जब एक प्लेस पे ह्यूमन परमानेंट सेटल हो जाता है, दिस टाइप ऑफ द सेटलमेंट आर द कॉल्ड परमानेंट सेटलमेंट. और जब क्या करते हैं, वो सेटलमेंट को चेंज करते रहते हैं, दैट इज हियर द टेम्पोररी सेटलमेंट. एंड द ह्यूमन settle permanently at one place, that is are included in the permanent settlement. What was the requirement of the permanent settlement? Here the local reserve of the resources. जहाँ पे रिसोर्स मिल रहे हैं वहाँ पे इनकी इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी क्या हो रही है, इंक्रीज हो रही है. The per capita income also increase. Then the human settle nearby the reserve of the resources and the possibility of the future development. Human want the future development, the high life level. Then the human settle in these places where the suitable climate and the possibility of the future development, and the for security, religious reasons, cultural and the economic. All these factors are affect the human for the permanent settlement. ठीक है, ये जो रीजन है इसके लिए क्या हो रहा है, ह्यूमन परमानेंटली क्या हो जाता है, वन प्लेस पे वन प्लेस पे रेजिडेंस करने लगता है, एंड द हियर द ग्रुप ऑफ रेजिडेंट्स आर द परमानेंटली सेटलमेंट। यानी कि हम लोग अभी क्या कर रहे हैं, हमारे जो घर है ऐसा तो है नहीं कि हम 2 और 3 ईयर रह रहे हैं और फिर यहाँ पे चेंज कर रहे हैं अपने रेजिडेंस को, नहीं हो रहा ना। टोटली हियर वी आर इन द परमानेंटली सेटलमेंट, एंड द इंक्रीज ऑफ द या इंक्रीज या डेवलप ऑफ द डेवलपिंग ऑफ द ह्यूमन या डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द ह्यूमन आल्सो डिपेंड ऑन द परमानेंट सेटलमेंट। जो क्या कर रहे हैं ना, परमानेंट सेटलमेंट में नहीं रहे, फॉर शॉर्ट टाइम के लिए टेम्पोररी सेटलमेंट में होंगे, दैट इज आर द possibility of the development is low here, and then here the permanent settlement, the people have the permanent settlement, here the possibility of the development is the better, and the high life level is possible in permanent settlement. Clear? And the last topic is objective to कंस्ट्रक्ट ह्यूमन सेटलमेंट की। ह्यूमन ने सेटलमेंट रेजिडेंस को परमानेंट क्यों बनाया, और वो रेजिडेंस की जो नेसेसिटी ना वो कंप्लीट क्यों हुई, ठीक है ना। फॉर द प्रोटेक्शन फ्रॉम द एनिमल्स, फर्स्टली हियर द प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ द फ्रॉम द एनिमल्स, सिक्योरिटी चाहिए हमें, ठीक है। जैसे फॉरेस्टेज रीजन में रहेंगे, सिक्योरिटी चाहिए, एनिमल्स आएंगे तो रेजिडेंस हमारा खुद का होगा, तो क्या होगा, हियर द नॉट हियर द फियर ऑफ द वाइल्ड एनिमल। क्लियर? एंड टू लिव ए फैमिली ओरिएंटेड एंड लग्जरियस लाइफ, और हमें जो लग्जरियस लाइफ जीनी है उसके लिए वी हैव वांट टू settlements, permanent settlement for the storage of food and the useful materials, and the for social, cultural, religious, economic and the educational works. So all these are here the objectives of construct human settlement. So now in this starting of the lesson number 6 human settlement, we studied about the definition of the settlement, definition of the human settlement, and the origin of the human settlement, and here the type of the settlements based on origin of human settlement, temporary settlement and the permanent settlements.